The Levi's X Nike Air Max 95 OG Obsidian is a striking fusion of classic denim craftsmanship and athletic innovation. Showcasing Levi's premium indigo denim, the sneaker features a layered upper built from varying denim washes, ranging from raw to distressed, offering a rich mix of texture and depth. Deep obsidian tones dominate the upper, highlighted by Levi's signature red tab and co-branded elements on the tongue and insole, reinforcing its dual-branded identity. Underfoot, a clean white midsole with visible Air Max cushioning delivers comfort and performance, while a dark rubber outsole ensures durability and traction. The result is a sneaker that honors Levi's legacy while giving the Air Max 95 a refined, lifestyle-focused twist. Perfect for both denim enthusiasts and sneaker collectors, the Obsidian stands out with its bold design and attention to detail, making it a stylish, street-ready reinterpretation of an iconic Nike silhouette.